What's up, guys? You are looking at Nkupi the Entertainer. Mina look. Well, today, I just woke up feeling like I need to go drive to Tswetswana, and I just want to be rough on him because I feel like I've been going so smooth on him. That's why he even started these things of him not waking up. Sometimes when I go start him, he just cranks. So I feel like I've been giving him a nice time, a good time to relax. So now I just want to go and I'm feeling like you understand. He's lucky he's not an injector. If he was an injector, hey, I was gonna go the kick. I know that is not healthy, but I was gonna do that. So today I'm gonna do some things like that, but I'm just gonna drive around. Yeah, I'm not gonna be bad. I'm just gonna drive this one around, and that is all I'll ever do. So, join me as I go on this crazy ride. Let's go.
First video that at Tswetswana.
Border.
The thing is, I've heard you can't capture experience. Karabo wants to capture experience, and I want and you can't shoot it all. You can only show you one side. Hurry, Tswetswana! One thing about me, I build a car. I build. You understand? So if you want me to build one for you, just bring the cash.
What a ride it was, eh? Well, I'm still learning to drive like that. I'm still learning. Don't forget, I'm just novice in all of this, so it's my first time trying all of this. I just drive normal. But I'm coming out fine. I hope you saw that I'm learning how to maneuver around and Mother, have fun. Watch out. I'm coming. Very soon I'll be sitting like Madaha. You know Madaha sit like this. I don't know how you concentrate while you're driving like that. I mean, you must concentrate, pay attention to what you're doing, and go to the next gear as fast as possible. But all he does is to put his cap like this, and he's still there. Fine, you are very, very much behind. So yeah, I enjoyed that. At least I'm learning, guys. I'm still new, but very soon I'll be. All we don't have is money. But if you have money, I'm telling you, we will be building the best cars ever. So yeah, let me just continue learning, and very soon I'll be where I want to be. Sharp, thanks for watching. I'm your boy Nkupi the Entertainer. Mina